Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on the Atlantic City Boardwalk, right across from the Ocean Casino Resort. Got a room there, gonna check it out. Come on with me, let's go inside and see what this room looks like. Hold on tight. All checked in, let's head upstairs and see what the room looks like. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.